Hello, I'm Victoria Richardson and I am a bridge engineer by trade, and I am beyond excited about the ways that we are helping agencies transform their bridge inspection process. We all depend on our nation's bridges, and as they continue to deteriorate, it is crucial that we have an accurate, thorough, and consistent assessment of their condition. Agencies can use this data to make informed decisions for maintenance or replacement. And I'm going to give you an insider view of the groundbreaking tools that we have developed here at HeadLight that modernize bridge inspection by leaps and bounds. By breaking down silos between field data collection and the office, a seamless link is created between inspection and maintenance. This greatly reduces the time teams need to properly capture and document their bridge inspections. Traditionally, bridge inspections involve manual data collection and inspectors having to access hard-to-reach places. Many agencies are looking to drones to support their crews. This comes with its own challenges, not the least of which is processing and sharing the data. With HeadLight, you can now combine the latest technology with capturing the FHWA inspection requirements to revolutionize the entire bridge management lifecycle. You can now have access to your 3D models alongside National Bridge Inventory component and element condition assessments. Thanks to these innovations, navigating between images stored on a local drive and PDF inspection reports is a thing of the past. Let's jump over to the HeadLight platform. You can think of this as your mission control for bridge inspections. Here we are able to view data captured from the air and the field simultaneously. We can see the route that was flown, each dot being an image taken by the drone. We have combined these into a high-resolution image and 3D point cloud. This will exponentially improve the way you process and visualize your data, helping your team save valuable time. This becomes really powerful when you can visualize 20 drone flights taken at different times, all on the same map. An average bridge inspection will collect hundreds of gigabytes of data. With traditional methods, that data tends to be locked in silos, almost impossible to quickly share with stakeholders. Now, you can quickly process and view terabytes of data and compare images over time for inspections and heavy horizontal construction projects. For context, this is over 5,000 photographs, and this is just scratching the surface. And for bridge inspection, this enables us to concurrently visualize multiple flights over time across the entire bridge inventory. In disaster recovery response, for example, the ability to easily visualize the changing condition over time is key. This is all within a secure cloud-based platform, allowing you to share uploaded UAS data instantly with the people who need it the most. For a bridge inspection, we are providing an environment where you can walk the job site and mark up condition states in 3D. As inspectors photograph and document the condition of the bridge, our software processes the data in real time and combines it with high-resolution imagery. Geospatial metadata integrates field-captured images and ratings with UAS models. This is a game changer, allowing you to improve the way you locate defects and share that information with maintenance crews. They no longer have to go and search for the correct drain to unblock or bearing to replace because they can see the exact location in the system. Artificial intelligence automatically detects defects such as cracking and spalling. Automatic detection is less subjective to the inspector's experience level and enables faster crack detection, so your team can focus on assessing the structure. Single data entry workflows link field inspection notes with imagery to generate inspection reports, activate maintenance requests, and integrate with agency bridge management tools. Additionally, removing manual data entry increases the quality of the information you are storing and helps significantly with the timely updating of information to the state inventory. You can easily quantify and tag defects with NBI condition ratings, meeting the FHWA requirements. I hope you're as excited as I am about the future of bridge inspection. HeadLight delivers high-quality inspection, UAS, and maintenance data for better decision-making. If you're interested to learn how HeadLight might help you break down barriers and data silos for your agency's data, you can connect with us by clicking here. We look forward to connecting with you.